I remained unhappy with the profession in which I was pushed. Ultimately, my father would also be unhappy. The last reason given by him gave me the courage to take a decision of my own to leave MSc and to join LLB. But for his timely advice, I would not have been here today addressing you all. Perhaps this was the only decision taken by me in my life which was against the wishes of my father. And for several years, he was very annoyed with my decision. However, after I had put in about 5 years into the profession, my father had critically watched me working happily and content with the meager earnings of a junior advocate. He expressed his satisfaction and happiness about me having joined the profession. My professional guru, Shri KB Sinha, senior advocate, was kind enough to accept me as a junior associate in his chamber. He was a hard taskmaster and he took pains to instill in me the importance of discipline and hard work in the profession. Making a perfect balance in life is a difficult task. And I have no doubt that by putting in more to achieve satisfaction in my professional life, I have made my wife Shikha and sons Shashwat and Shantanu lose a major portion of their due share of my time. They not only tolerated it without any complaints, rather they made up the deficiency by putting in more efforts and time towards their family affairs and by adjusting their needs and wishes according to mine. Saying thank you would belittle their sacrifice. To my young friends at the bar, I would say that perseverance is the key to success. Whenever you accept a brief, take it as an opportunity to improve yourself. And while preparing it, you should put your head, heart, and soul into it. However, while doing your professional duty, remember the teachings of Lord Krishna. Karmanya vadikaraste ma phaleshu kadachan. Your duty is to prepare the case and present it before the court to the best of your ability. And you should not be found lacking in it. However, having performed your duty to your satisfaction, you should always be satisfied, irrespective of the outcome of the case. Once the court passes an order in favor of whichever of the litigating parties, disassociate yourself and move on to do the same with the next matter. I join you all in welcoming Brother Justice Brijraj Singh and Brother Justice Sri Prakash Singh and wishing them a very successful tenure as judges of this court. I thank Awadh Bar Association for initiating the process of this welcome reference, and I thank the Honorable Senior Judge and all my esteemed brother and sister judges for attending the reference, and I thank you all for your precious time.
My esteemed brother, Senior Judge Shri Ramesh Sinha, esteemed brother and sister judges, Additional Advocate General Shri M.M. Pandey, State of UP, the President of Awadh Bar Association Shri Rakesh Kumar Chaudhary, Shri Surimani Singh Raikwad, Senior Panel, Council, Union of India, senior advocates, my friends, and members of the registry. I am really delighted to attend this occasion of welcome reference organized by the Awadh Bar Association. I am also grateful for the fact that Awadh Bar Association has been kind enough to organize and create this occasion, which surely is a proud moment for me. In the 2.5 decades spent at this bar, I have made various indelible memories, and at the moment I am nostalgic because whatever I have achieved, it is all because of the fact that I started my career at this great bar. I came to Lucknow from the remote district of Azamgarh and completed my law graduation and higher studies from the Lucknow University. I started my career at the Lucknow High Court with a passion to venture into this profession for the sole reason that I had no intention or inclination towards any other discipline. I will always remain indebted to the bar because even though I was from a non-legal background, I was fortunate enough to have been adopted by this bar and the bench with open arms. I also consider myself to be fortunate since I have seen the old school of this profession. When I initially started my practicing, I witnessed some great seniors like Babu Umesh Chandra, P.N. Mathur, K.B. Sinha, Kual Shanti Prakash, Lakshmi Prasad Acharya, and many other great seniors for whom I have utmost respect and regards. I tried to imbibe the professional ethics from these great legal giants, and it is my long, forlorn desire that the old school is revived so that we shall have again witnessed the exalted glory of the Awadh Bar Association. I especially request the junior members of the bar to get acquainted with the great history of this extremely rich bar. And I'm sure that if they will fathom the depths of this bar's history, they will come to know about the sheer number of legal stalwarts this bar has produced. Hopefully, if the upcoming generation of the young lawyers appreciate this past of ours, they will certainly adopt a righteous path to move forward in their future life. I was extremely privileged to assist Babu Umesh Chandra in several cases, and I must say that I found him to be a great human being, a great philosopher, an exceptional guide, and a formidable lawyer. The characteristics of Babu Umesh Chandra are worth to be imitated by the lawyers of this court. The gentle qualities of Babu Umesh Chandra will always remain etched in my memory. The fight between good and evil is an ever-going quest since the beginning of human existence. It will be my best effort to impart justice to the society without any